Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file sales tax in Michigan. First, ensure your business is properly registered with the Michigan Department of Treasury. This is a crucial initial step for all businesses. Next, you'll need to determine your specific filing frequency, which depends on your total sales volume. Finally, remember to accurately collect sales tax from your customers on all taxable goods and services you provide. Once registered, your next step is to accurately calculate your total taxable sales and the corresponding sales tax you've collected. You will then use Form 5080, the Michigan Sales, Use, and Withholding Tax Return, to report these figures. Be sure to meticulously report any applicable deductions or exemptions directly on this form to ensure compliance. Timely submission is key. You must submit your completed sales tax return and the full payment by the designated due date. Remember, filing frequencies vary. They can be monthly, quarterly, or even annually, depending on your business's sales volume. Be aware that late payments or filings can result in significant penalties and accrued interest. To ensure smooth operations, always maintain detailed and organized records of all your sales and tax transactions. This practice is invaluable for audits and future reference. Additionally, consider leveraging modern accounting software. It can significantly streamline your tax management process, saving you time and reducing errors. And for a different kind of efficiency, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to upgrade your home cleaning routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.